Hi everyone, you're welcome to Mary's Lifestyle TV. If you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like and share. So today's tutorial, we are making a cowl dress. Without wasting much time, let's get into the cutting table and start cutting. So I have this lovely fabric. It's actually a bed sheet that I want to use. I like to recycle. So I have folded this fabric into 4. As you can see, watch the tutorial carefully and you will understand exactly what I'm doing. So I'm not going to be talking much. I'm going to leave you to watch this tutorial. All right, so see you at the end of the video. Keep watching. Love you. The sleeve measurement, I'm taking 14 here, and I'm going to mark my hips measurement, which is 24, and the Okay, I told you, easy peasy, isn't it? If this tutorial has been useful to you, please kindly subscribe, like and share. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you have enjoyed yourself today. Subscribe and click on the notification bell so that when next I upload my video, you will be the first to know. So I like the fact that this is actually a bedsheet that I use, and it's really nice. I like the color combination. Please make yours and tag me on Instagram as Marisiami. Yeah, so one thing is that you can also wear this dress with or without a belt depending on where you are and the weather condition at your place. So guys, please subscribe, like and share like I said, and keep loving yourself and do have a blessed day, and God bless you.